Hello friends, today's topic, every 10 years Nifty reaches Sensex figures. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Now and then many channel members keep asking us whether our stock market will continue to grow in the future too. The simple answer is that as long as the Indian economy is growing well, stock markets will do very well, and when the Indian economy slows down, stock market growth may slow down too. In fact, historically and globally, stock markets have given the best returns compared to other financial instruments. So even if the rate of return reduces after many years, stock market will still be superior. Now, journey of Sensex for the last few years. 100 April 1979, 1000 July 1990, 5000 October 1999, 20,000 December 2007, 30,000 April 2017, and 50,000 January 2021, 70,000 December 2023, 75,000 April 2024. Now coming to Nifty milestones. 1000 points 1996, 2000 points 2004, 3000 points 2006, 5000 points 2007, 6000 points 2007, 7000 points 2014, and 8000 points 2014, 10,000 points 2017, 12,000 points 2019, and 14,000 points 2020. Going further, 15,000 2021, 17,000 2021, 19,000 2023, and 20,000 2023. Now, March 1997, Nifty level 1000, Sensex level 3,361. March 2006, Nifty level 3,403 and Sensex level 11,280. That means in about 10 years time, the Sensex level becomes the Nifty level. January 2018, 11,171, Sensex level 34,060. January 2028, the Nifty level 34,000, Sensex level 1 lakh 2,000 question mark. Both of them are question mark. Currently, Nifty level is around 23,000. If it has to become 34,000 by January 2028, it has to grow by around 11.5% per annum average for the next 3.5 years. In fact, it could happen even before 2028 if the markets perform well. Also, if we extrapolate this data further, if Sensex touches the 1 lakh mark in 2028, then by 2038 or so, Nifty may touch the 1 lakh mark. Look like a big number, may seem unrealistic to many people. However, Nifty 50 index has to grow by 11 to 12% per annum average to achieve this milestone. Nifty was at 1,000 points in 1996-1997. Today it is around 23,000. The CAGR returns for the last 28 years is 11.85 per annum as of now. So Nifty has to grow at a similar rate to achieve the 1 lakh milestone by 2038. It is not very difficult. Now you can imagine how your portfolio would grow if you invest and manage it well for the next 10, 20, 30 years. Only when you see the big picture will you stay motivated to invest for long term. Otherwise, you will be distracted by the short-term fluctuations of the market. End of the video, here is a question. If Nifty multiplies by 4 times in the next 14 years, by how many times do you think your portfolio will multiply? Type in the comment section below. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.